everywhere. Oh no, what a mess. It's my favorite doll. Clean room, happy life. Okay, I'll clean. Motu, let's climb that tree.
Careful, little one. It looks high.
Watch this.
Hold on tight. Wait.
Yes, thank you, Motu. Aw, Meera hid the snacks.
Sharon's sad. Let's go.
You're right. Let's share these apples.
Thanks.
These snacks are mine. Let's go.
Sharing brings us happiness. Okay, friends.
Yay, that's Meeral's. Sharing is fun. Oh no, I overslept again.
Time once gone won't come back.
Motu, wait for me. From now on, I'll wake up early. Yummy sweets.
Don't spend it all, Meera.
Oh no, my bucket is empty.
Here, save in this
I
bean.
saved. Now I can buy my toy.
Please subscribe. It would really help me out. Thanks!